Hey guys, wanted to take a quick second to show off a quick drill hack. If you are working on someone who works on appliances for a living, or somebody who has a drill as a basis tool for their daily operations, this hack might really come in handy for you. I know it's been a time saver for me. I came up with it a few years ago, and someone had seen it recently and said, man, you got to share that because it's a huge time saver. So it's pretty simple. Here on the bottom, where you would typically attach the little belt clip that would allow you to clip it to your belt, instead I took those screws and put a couple of earth magnets, a couple bucks at a hardware store. I put those on there. It allows me to attach my various different drill bits here for me to use, and then quick release, pop back on. So especially if you're working on appliances, you know that 1/4, 5/8 on these guys here, your nut drivers, I mean, you're just constantly using them. Almost all the screws are that 1/4 size there, and then switching back between that and just your standard Phillips head. And over here I keep some more non-traditional ones, I guess you'd say, but I end up using them a lot for the lid locking little mechanisms I pull off, and then a lot of stuff on the Samsungs will use these star tools instead. Have almost all the sizes there, and then a real small Phillips head for those real small screws if I get into some of the electronics. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple, but it works, and hopefully this will save somebody a ton of time. So there you go.